Welcome to my electricity project by Stina. Hello, children, and welcome to our first electricity class. Today's project is called Lighting the Bulb. Yes. Okay. Our question is, which way will light a bulb from a wire and a D-cell? This is my hypothesis over here.
That's her hypothesis. Boo-boo-doo-doo-doo. They got it.
Woo, this is the answer, and I got my hypothesis wrong.
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Hello, children, and welcome to your second class.
Second class, woohoo!
Over here, we're continuing the other class. Here's our answers. I labeled the photo here for you. As you can see, there's a bulb, D-cell,
Boodly-doo.
and wire. One of the most important parts. In my hypothesis, I thought that this was an X, check mark, X. I got my hypothesis wrong. Well, now continuing with our second class.
Second class.
Okay. For the second class, I will be showing you my results and my conclusion. The results was I was able to light the bulb when I made a circuit with the wire, D-cell, and the bulb. That is my results. Now for my conclusion. Doing this project was fun. I learned that if you made a short circuit, you can burn yourself.
Burn yourself is not good. Don't burn yourself.
We turned the electricity energy using the electricity converter to a light electricity. Why, hello, children.
Hello, children.
Welcome to your third class.
Third class, woo!
Okay, so today our question is, how can you convert electric energy into motion energy?
How? Just how? Woo, diddly do, diddly do. Woo, woo. I'm jamming out.
Okay, our materials is a D-cell
D-cell.
and a wire. That wire is going to be connected to a motor.
A motor.
Yes. My hypothesis
Her hypothesis.
is I think that you just have to have both wires touch each side of the D-cell to spin the motor. I think that will let the motor go to work.
It'll let the motor to work. Hoo, ha, hoo, ha. I'm a random stranger.
Okay, welcome to our results. Okay, so here's a photo going with it. My results was my hypothesis was correct. It was amazing seeing it get to work. Okay, here's my conclusion. Okay, sorry, that random stranger just annoyed me. Conclusion is that we had the motor work when we made a circuit with the wires and the D-cell. Finding out how to change electric energy into motion energy was so fun.
So much fun.
You can read my other conclusion here. Welcome, children, to class. Well, sadly, our singer isn't here. But that's all right. I can cheer up with some science. Okay. Here I made a schematic diagram, and here it is, my diagram. That's the switch, and that's a wire, and here's the light bulb with the wire on it, wire, D cell, and wire switch. As you can see here, that stands for D cell, that stands for wires, that stands for switch. That means opens, like a switch that's open and a closed switch. And that stands for light bulb, except I didn't really circle that. And this stands for motor. I didn't use a motor. Okay, here is our question for next class. Can any of the test objects be used to complete the circuit? See you next class to find out. Children, welcome to your next class. The singer isn't here again. But remember a question from last class, which was, can any of the test objects complete a circuit? Well, now we're doing the experiment for it. The procedure is test the items in a circuit. Oh my gosh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh God, sorry. Oh dear. Okay, I'm truly sorry about that. Okay, the procedure is test the items in a circuit. If and touch it to a fan stop clip. If it does light up, it is a closed circuit. If it does not light up, it is an open circuit. Okay, here is our results. The things that did not work go here, and the things that did work, are these. So did and don't. Okay, my conclusion is some items let electricity pass through them, so they are conductors. Others do not, so they are insulators. If there are no insulators, then people would get hurt. Okay, children, welcome to our fun activity of finding the circuit. So, here are the answers for finding each circuit. Number 1 was dB, and you can look at them. And we got them all correct. Okay. We have learned how to find hidden circuits. Also, we learned how to make closed circuits. Okay, class, the worksheets that you just finished, here are the answers for the worksheets that you just finished. Answers for a worksheet 2 is this one. Answers for worksheet 3. Okay. Thanks for watching and listening and joining our electricity project. Smile about electricity. It's so helpful for the world.